Alrighty, here we have a Duo Therm 9000 BTU 12 volt propane forced air furnace running on the bench, well, on the floor, that came out of my 1989 Scamper 170C pop-up camper or tent trailer. I couldn't get it to run while it was installed in the trailer, so I pulled it out last night and was able to get it running. Just running it off of my jump pack for the moment. It seems to run really well. So it did have a couple of problems. It had a popped 4 amp main fuse due to the motor being stuck. The combustion chamber slash heat exchanger was all full of mouse nest as well that I got cleaned out and burned out. So I replaced the fuse, got the motor unstuck, as well as, cleaning out the mouse nest, and just got a test set up here to run on the floor, and it runs really well. See if I can show you the flame through the little window. And just for the exhaust outlet extension, I just have one of the wands off of my shop vac. I've been running it like that for over an hour, and no harm done to the plastic pipe. But once I get the furnace reinstalled in the camper, we'll give her another good test run. The furnace sits in that hole right there. I've also got to take and run a new piece of thermostat wire, but I've got thermostat wire in stock in the garage. And that hole right there is where the refrigerator sits. It was just easier to pull the fridge out to also pull the furnace out.